Well, I think it's not so easy to say there's too much or not enough sediment. What we can observe in rivers in the Alpine environment is that we have a gap, an increasing gap over time between too much sediment in some areas, like in reservoirs, and not enough sediment, especially bed load, coarse material in the downstream free-flowing section. That leads to accumulation in the reservoirs and the erosion of the riverbed downstream with groundwater lowering and all sorts of problems that are associated with it. On the other side, if you think of fine material, people think it's maybe too much fine material. Well, if you think of the natural condition of the rivers, fine material played an important role, and it seems now, because of the sedimentation of fine material in the reservoirs, that we have more clean rivers than they were before in the natural conditions. So without the reservoirs, we would have maybe more turbid water than we have it now. So it's sometimes a problem then when you want to flush reservoirs, that suddenly, of course, you have a high concentration of fine material, but on the other side, there was always in floods and also in minor floods, sediments and fine material in the river. So the question is, what is the reference condition for this, and what is the perspective you want to look at it? Finally, actually, what we should aim for is a sustainable management, of course, and a sustainable quantity of sediment, be it fine material or be it coarse material, so that we have a self-forming, a self-steering river that is able to manage itself, if you wish, with no trend to erosion and no trend to aggradation, if possible.